I'm videoing it. I have here. There was a car.
Natawagan ko na rescue.
Ha?
Natawagan ko na rescue.
Natawagan mo na?
I'm gonna video what happened over there.
Nabungkuan ng bahay. Gari na pizza yung bahay.
Pero tatlo silang pilas.
Hindi, bali lang ang babae ng...
Ang bahay dyan lang tatlo. Ako hindi ang bahay sa CDRRM.
Hindi, ang isa, muna yung pilas isa, oh. Ang nag-drive, sakit din rin niya kagiya diri, oh. Kaya na itong isang babae, kung may lang ang bata, why na ano? Oh,
The kid's safe. The video ko.
daw pariyo guro ka sila.
What?
Kada ko ang bata.
I think it's bigger than 3.
Ano
It's
ginapugos ba da? Pariyo guro. Dako-dako lang gali kay Tegtiya.
that's
Ano
4.
to ba ginapugos?
4-year-old. That's 4 years old, guys. So, guys, I saw a car crash like a motor hit a person. My country is Philippines.
Hamba ko tatlo ang injured. Hamba mo tatlo.
Oo, tatlo kay ang isa ang lalaki nga nag-drive. Sakit yat yan kagan diri niya kiyang ka.
I'm searching for the ambulance. Is it there? No. The video ko, move aside.
Hindi dira sa dalan, dira ka lang dira.
The video lang ko ano natabo. Look, police is there already.
Oh, namangkot na ang pulis kung ano natabo.
Zoom in. Zoom out. I'm looking for the ambulance. How did it even crash? Like, how did they crash? How the hell? I wanted to video the whole thing. Dang it, guys. That's all. But the ambulance is... Can we just go until the... Can we not just wait for the ambulance to video it?
Gari ni ang ambulance. So, sa gabal atun sa lakyan na.
Can you just move there?
Alam nga karon. Kung mapasaway, hindi na karon ka pa. Hindi mo plastic. Wait lang. Hindi mo plastic.
Ano nga plastic?
Ihaboy na.
Hala kay mataktak ni karon sa salakyan. Di ba ubos na ang zero?
The ambulance is literally gonna go that direction. The ambulance can go in the other way anyway.
Move down.
They crashed up 7-Eleven. So they just crashed right there.
Sige na lang ka lang.
Right over there. Oh, the ambulance is coming right up there. And that guys are hurt. You see the police right there. They're asking what happened. To that one, what happened? There. Crashed into a lady. This is my first time seeing a car accident. I wonder how they're actually kind of hurt now. The ambulance is gonna go right through there. So they crashed in the middle of here, which is 7-Eleven on the middle. And as you see, the ambulance is that the ambulance? Is that the freaking ambulance? That's not the freaking ambulance anyway.
Kinanglan ta na maglakad.
Could the ambulance?
Ice cream.
Alright guys, I'll do part 2 soon.